I'm sitting here thinking about what I want to say, mulling over all the different things I want to talk about, because I have a lot going up in my head. There's a lot going on, a lot of things that I want to do I have a lot of pokers in the fire, and it's exciting. It's an exciting time. Bit overwhelming, but a good, positive overwhelming. I want to take a couple minutes, and I want to in the future, do a little bit more of the short form video. I do a lot of the smaller bites, minute or less. I do a lot of those and post those out there. Those are very methodical, strategic, thought out. A lot of stuff that I put together, research, and look to bring value in the short term to give something a little bit more inspirational. So I want to be able to give a little bit of more conversational with what's going on, what's happening, because there's a lot going on. We're getting into the third quarter of 2022. I'm looking into the third quarter, looking into the fourth quarter and into the first quarter of 23, and trying to visualize and understand what content I want to bring out there for you to help you into the future, help you create and build the life that you want to build, especially in these trying times right now. It feels like we're getting bombarded everywhere. Prices on everything is going up, and it's hard to figure out what your next move is going to be. So if I can leave you with just a little bit of advice, a little tip, something to do to help you in these times of crisis, when you feel overwhelmed, when you feel like you don't know what to do and everything around you is crumbling, and it's a scary time. So a great thing that you can do, something that I do, is when you feel those feelings of being overwhelmed, stressed, and anxious, take a minute, write down what is making you overwhelmed, what is making you stressed and anxious. Write down everything that you can think of, everything that's making you overwhelmed, stressed, and anxious. Write that on a sheet of paper. And then once you do that and everything from your head is on that sheet of paper, look at it and cross out everything that you have no control over, that no matter what you do, the outcome of that will never change. Cross all those out. And then with what you have left, look at what you have left and put all your focus and energy in on those to control those and make sure that they have a positive outcome, so that you understand that this is the stuff that you can control. You may be overwhelmed with 10 different things, but when you write it all down, there's only one thing that you can control. So put your energy and focus into that and make sure that comes out positively. So again, it's a little tip and trick that I do to get myself back kind of on an even keel, to make sure that I am not too overwhelmed or overburdened or feel that way, that I'm focusing my attention on the tasks that I can control and put my energy into all of that. So I hope that works for you. I know it works for me. Good luck. I think that's all I got. Take care, guys.